Namaste to all. Hope you are preparing well for the exam. So I thought to help you people with a video. So here I am with a video relating to perfect strategy for cost accounting. So for cost accounting, we should have a perfect strategy. So for cost accounting, I'm making a video. Please watch the video till the end. There is a saying in management, if you fail to plan, okay, if you fail to plan, you will plan to fail. Do you know what does it means? If you fail to plan, if you are failing in planning itself, whatever you will plan will go in vain and will definitely fail. So to do anything we need to plan perfectly. So our in this video our concept will be mission mission p, okay, for positive result, p for positive result. For positive result, what we need to do, okay, for positive result, this video will helpful for you all. For this we need positive results need perfection. So how to get perfection, that is we are going to discuss in this video now. Okay, so let us see what does mission p says about. So mission p says plan your things perfectly. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to plan properly. Okay, if you plan properly, your preparation will be better with your patience. So don't be panic, be patient and prepare patiently, because you need not prepare entire 5 chapters, or sorry 5 units. 5 units आप prepare नहीं हो रहे, you are going to prepare only 3 units, that's it. So you are having plenty of time, don't get panic. Okay, plan your things properly, then prepare patiently these days. Okay, whatever you are having time now, okay, that is more than sufficient for the exam also. So next, present perfectly in exam. Okay, first we need to plan properly. Okay, then prepare patiently, whatever you have planned you should prepare patiently, then whatever you have prepared should present perfectly in the exam. Otherwise what happens, whatever you have planned prepared will go waste if you won't present in the exam properly. So perfectly you need to present in the exam also. So these are the three things for mission p. Okay, three p's are there. So what will be the our paper pattern, because I always say exam is a war field. Okay, and students are the warriors. So by warriors, be aware of the exam question paper. Okay, now war means there will be an enemy. Okay, their strategies we should know. So what will be the strategy of the exam paper pattern we should understand, because if you see Bahubali, which vyuham they are planning, Trishula vyuham, Padma vyuham, okay, different vyuhams will be there. Okay, so what is their strategy of paper pattern, based on that our preparation should also be there. So there may be chance of three types in the paper pattern. There may be chance of three situations. Okay, some part will be theory, some part will be problem. Okay, so situation A, theory 30% and problem 70%, which means you may get two questions, long questions, and eight problems, questions long relating to theory. Theory two questions, okay, long, and remaining eight will be problems. Whereas plan B, you will get 50-50 chance. Theory will be 50% and 50% will be of what? uh, uh, Problems. Like sometimes they may give more than two theory questions, more than two theory questions, three theory questions may come. Okay, three theory questions may come, or four theory questions may come. Okay, more than in each case, like in each case one theory question, one problem will come in the plan B, and your short questions will be of maybe six short questions of theory, and one or two questions from the problems may come in this situation. Okay, there is one more situation, situation C. That C situation says theory will be 70% and problems will be of 30%. Okay, problems may come only in two to less than four questions may come for problems, and remaining all will be of theory questions, long questions. And in short questions, all your eight questions of short questions will be of theory only, and in long questions you may get four problems or three problems, remaining all will be of theory questions. So this is the dangerous situation who are not preparing theory. So how to counter this pattern, question paper pattern? So I have the syllabus with me. As you people know, cost accounting syllabus. So let us see what is the cost accounting syllabus is. Cost accounting syllabus: Unit 1, Introduction to Cost Accounting. Unit 2, Material. Unit 3, Labor Overheads. And Unit 4, Job Costing, Unit or Output Costing. And Unit 5, Contract and Process Costing. These are the your syllabus things. Okay, those who prepare this first unit till now not yet studied anything in the cost accounting, for them my best suggestion is to complete this theory. Okay, it will help you in all the three situations of question paper. All the three situations of question paper you will get direct two long questions and one short question from this unit itself. So total 35 marks you are going to get from this unit. Okay, this is the generally, because this is theory unit entirely. There are 10 topics or 10 questions in this unit. Okay, not more than that. So the best way of weak link, or your enemy's weak link, is this itself. Weak point is one unit compulsory, two theory questions are there, those will come. Next, material chapter is there, next chapter. So those who have prepared material chapter will also get good marks, because sometimes if strategy is not of asking more theory, in that situation problems may come. Okay, if we ask theory or problem, if you prepare material chapter, that is done your any pattern of question paper A, B, C category. Okay, material chapter. Next, if you are perfect with the labor overheads, do that one. But my suggestion is to learn the other chapter, this job costing and unit output costing. This is easiest one. Okay, based on the just it is based on the pro forma of cost sheet, and job costing, unit output costing, number of questions we need to prepare, tender and other things, so that can be easily done. Sir, मुझे material नहीं आता. Okay, I don't know material. Either you go for contract costing, process costing, okay, or you go for labor overheads. Okay, labor overheads is also one topic is there. Labor overheads you can do, but labor overheads, if you are perfect with the formulas and other things, that can be easily done. In overheads, do the machine hour rate as a addition. So my suggestion is unit 3 units preparation. One is introduction, another one material, another one unit or job costing. And in labor only formulas are there. Formulas, you can learn the formulas and do the things. So formula based chapter, labor chapter, I'll say row 1, this will come under short question also. And machine hour rate might become in the overhead. Simultaneous equation method is there. So this is easiest thing. We need to redistribute the expenses, so that is the thing. But if you are not perfect with the labor overheads, go for contract costing, process costing, pro forma based hai, that also will be helpful for you in the exam. So my suggestion, okay, for is introduction unit. Okay, next material, unit 1 introduction, material, and fourth unit job costing, batch costing is there, that unit. Okay, this is my suggestion. If you want some other chapter you can do, but while preparing this, along with that labor you prepare one theory, some theory points are there, those things. Okay, and whatever you are preparing, both theory and problems you prepare, that's it. Whatever you are preparing, prepare both theory and problems. That will be helpful for you in the exam. Sometimes you will do job costing all problems and unit output costing all problems. He will ask you what is job costing, explain it features, difference between job costing and unit output costing, like this theories will come. So while preparing the fourth unit, prepare entire thing. If you are preparing material, prepare theory and problems. Don't prepare only stock level problems and that stores lecture problems. Along with the problems, prepare theory also, because theory also very important thing. EOQ, ABC analysis, weight analysis, just in time, these will come in short question also. So while 3 units total preparation is required. Okay, otherwise if you are not preparing material chapter, you are ignoring material chapter, okay, theory, then you prepare contract costing, process costing also. Okay, hope you have understood strategies and other things. Sir, I don't know introduction unit, I won't learn introduction chapter. Okay, no problem, go for the contract costing, process costing, both theory and problems. So material, job costing, unit costing, costing, process costing, along with the labor overheads related formulas, that's it. So this is what we need to do. Hope you have understood the thing, and nothing to say, just plan properly, prepare patiently, present perfectly, that's it. All the best to you all. Okay, क्या करना, सीखते रहना, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन। जय हिंद। ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू ऑल।